Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today I'm going to make a smoking hot whiskey sour. I ordered a smoker kit the other day and they sent me these little wood chips, so I'm going to use cherry wood and we're going to make the drink, and we're going to put this little smoker over the top of it and smoke our drink. So we're going to have a smoking hot whiskey sour, and kind of reminds me, if you guys watching this, if I should die, I want to be cremated because that's the last time I'm going to have a smoking hot body. So just, you know, put that in comments if I'm gone. Thank you for doing that. 2 ounces of Whistle Pig bourbon. We're going to use about a half a lemon juice, so it's going to be about 1 ounce of lemon juice. Shake this. And a lot of times people will add like a sweetener to the whiskey sour. I don't like to do that. I just like the lemon juice and the bourbon over the ice. Plus, in this case, we're going to get the smoky flavor, and we're going to. It's going to be smoky flavor. It's going to have a little cherry taste to it. It's just easier. Maybe the cameraman can pick this up a little bit. And I soak these cherry wood chips in bourbon, and the reason I did that, the reason I didn't use any sugar or sweetener is because this is cherry flavor. So we're gonna do this. You're gonna see the smoke go down in the drink in a minute. And you see the smoke come out the sides. So we're gonna have a smoking hot whiskey sour. And don't forget to tell them about, you know, my story too. All right, guys. Here we go. Smoking hot whiskey sour. The Watkins Way. You can taste the cherry. I mean, you smell the cherry. You can't really taste the cherry, but you can smell it. Still smell it. Good. It's so good. So good. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comments, good or bad. Send me the good ones. Keep the bad ones to yourself. See you later. Bye.